Down me running a saw. Get this open, guys. See what's in here. Shoot, I missed it. Are you kidding me? I missed the whole package. Let me get this open, guys. Hey. What's that here? Be right back. Too many interruptions around here. Okay, let's cut this open, guys. Oh. Yeah, get the other side. Pull that package out of this. Too many packages, you know. Alright, I'm gonna open this car. Look at that, guys. Yeah, guess what that is? You know what that is? Cha-ching, man. Cha-ching. This is a brand spanking new head for, geez, I hope that's the right size. Should be. For this Red Max weed whacker we found in a dumpster. We're gonna get this put together, guys. This is a Red Max. Okay. Very good condition, and we're gonna get this repaired. Goodbye. Nope, the wrong one, guys. It's the wrong one. They sent me the wrong one. That don't fit, guys, so we got a big problem. That hole don't match this hole. Big problem now. I tell you, man, you order something today, it's all messed up.
From eBay?
Yeah, I gotta ship it back. I don't know what it goes to.
Did you give him the right part number?
Yes, it's for the Red Max TR.
Are you sure you gave him the right part number? How do you know it don't fit?
Well, I'm gonna have to resell this. I don't know.
How do you know it don't fit?
Because this hole is too big to fit on that thread.
Are you sure? Did you double check?
Oh yeah. I tell you guys, man, nothing ever.
Well, they're gonna have to send you a new one for free now.
Nothing ever goes right. Yeah, we're gonna have to ship this back.
That was $15. They're gonna have to get.
So anyways, guys, they sent the wrong one. Or I read it wrong, I don't know. It was supposed to fit. It said all TR models. TR. And doesn't fit, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do now, because there's no way to fix this unless I change this right here. And how do you do that? How do you change something like that, guys? I'm going to have to take this whole thing off here, disconnect it, order this to fit that. Okay guys, wrapping up this video here, I'll show you what I did. I took the new one, right, and I took the bottom off because I have the bottom on mine. So this is a brand new bottom that nobody needs. So we took the insides and the spring. I'll show you. Now I had this going to try and work it. So we took this piece is brand new and put it in. Well, I kind of want to show you, but hold on. There. Oh, jeez. It's okay. There's the spring. I didn't have that spring, guys, so we put it back together just like that. You gotta push like that and just pop it in. Okay, now it's in again. See? Did that with one hand. but every other part was missing inside, so this thing is awesome, guys. Whoa. It's got a lot of power. A lot of power, guys. I'll show you what I did with it. Stop. Brand new string. Okay. Show you what I did with it. I trimmed this bush. It's just one all the way up there. Even that big branch up there, I hacked off all this stuff here. So I'm gonna have to rake this up and get rid of it all. It kept hitting my head when I walked back this way. Red Max is construction weed whacker. All I did was put some gas in there, oil mixture of gas. She ran right up, so I said I'm going to order the head, or whatever this is, to where the twine goes. This is really good twine. Really lasts a while. Man, you get hit by that, you're probably going to bleed. Not like mine in the shed. This is a commercial. Red Max. Huh. Turns out we didn't need this sucker, but we needed the spring and we needed the part to put the string in with the bump knob there to eject this string out. Worked out really well. 125 maybe, or $185. Yeah, we'll probably let this sucker go for maybe 135, guys. Put her away. It's just amazing, you know, you find something like this in a dumpster and it runs. Just needed a part, $15 part, guys, and I'm gonna sell this for probably $150. Get her in there. Let me fix this. Yeah, well, oh man, it's gonna go up, guys, for sale soon. I'm gonna scrub it down, clean it all up, get it up on the marketplace, and make $100 and something, guys. You know what I'm saying? That's all there is to it.